In Pakistan, the National Command and Operation Center has decided to close all shrine seminars and theatre as country experiences surge in coronavirus cases. United States President-elect Joe Biden has said that Trump's refusal to admit defeat in election is an embarrassment. Iran Foreign Minister Javad Zarif has arrived in Pakistan on Tuesday on a 2-day trip. In Afghanistan, 4 security personnel have been killed in 2 separate incidents in Kabul. An international conference on the Syrian refugees repatriation is being held in Damascus on Wednesday. The United Nations has warned that global hunger and population displacement can surge amid the coronavirus pandemic. The Organization of Islamic Cooperation has condemned Israel's demolition of Palestinian village. Two killed in Afghan army helicopter crash in Nangarhar.